the A515. Voorwood pioneered the use of feed-through shaping and sanding machines more than 20 years ago. Since then, we have found there is no more effective method for producing quality, precision-profiled edges. Using a common frame and a secure drive system keeps parts precisely aligned so that shapers and sanders work together to produce consistent, high-quality profiles. As arched and cathedral parts have become increasingly popular, woodworkers have had to choose between tedious hand shaping and sanding and expensive overhead routers, which rarely offered sanding and often tied up expensive machinery for long periods of time. Voorwood engineers realized there had to be a better way, a system that combined the efficiency of feed-through shaping and sanding with the precision and creative possibilities of CNC woodworking. After several years of intense design and testing, the solution was found. Introducing the Voorwood A515 feed-through CNC Shaper Sander. As parts enter the machine, each piece is electronically measured and the arch is scaled to match the width of the board. The shaper creates the arch and the raised panel profile at the same time. No matter the length of the part, the arch is positioned correctly without any templates, pre-cutting, or special programming. For deeper raised panels, the shaping is divided between two cutters, each taking only a portion of the cut. This sharing of the load allows the 515 to use less force per cut, reduces vibration significantly, and extends the working life of cutter blades. To prevent blowout, the first shaper can also be programmed to perform a climb cut, while the second shaper completes the profile. For woodworkers who prefer working with presets, the A515 allows instant selection from a number of template patterns which place a specific arch on parts of specific sizes. When the virtual templates are selected, a preset contour is set for parts of a given size. Anytime parts of that size are run, they will receive the pre-selected contour. Matching turbosand heads follow the arch contour and profile edge precisely. Like most Voorwood shaper sanders, the A515 uses two sanding heads rotating in opposite directions. Like the back and forth motion of a hand sander, this produces an exceptionally smooth finish. The first sander removes much of the roughness of the edge, but at the same time it bends some of the wood fibers to one side. The second sander, rotating the opposite direction, raises and cuts these remaining fibers, producing an edge of unsurpassed smoothness. Variable speed sanding enables woodworkers to obtain the highest possible sanding quality for each situation. By adjusting the sanding speed and grit for each project's wood species, grain type, and moisture content, and using the award-winning TurboSand inserts, the A515 consistently produces the highest quality sanding of any mechanized system in the world. Because today's professional woodworkers need to be versatile, Voorwood designed the A515 to streamline the process of pattern changeover and adjustment. The quick change spindles allow the changing of shaping and sanding heads in a matter of seconds. Setup information for each pattern is displayed on the large touch screen. The screen can be positioned for easy reference during setup or operation. Onboard measurement devices indicate the current setting for most adjustments. This means that changing the entire machine setup is usually just a matter of swapping heads, setting position indicators to match the settings on the display, and doing a quick visual confirmation. The entire process of changing from one setup to the other, including changing shapers and sanders, repositioning all heads, aligning the infeed, and changing the arch program, usually takes just a few minutes. Changing programming for the arch contour, such as switching from the raised panel to a matching rail cut, is simplified with a touch screen. Just as quickly, the A515 becomes a straight-edge shaper sander for raised panels and outside edges. In creating the A515, Voorwood engineers realized that for the machine to be valuable to woodworkers over a long period of years, the machine would need to be versatile. The patterns and styles that are popular today may not be fashionable tomorrow. This is the reason the A515 includes Voorwood's Design Center software, which allows woodworkers to design, program, and test an almost unlimited range of styles and patterns. Voorwood's computer analysis immediately evaluates each pattern for validity. Using the corresponding spreadsheet, designers can produce new patterns and immediately preview the finished shape. Settings are calculated internally and can be loaded directly into the machine. This means that a new style of cathedral top, arch, or eyebrow can be designed, tested, and created almost as quickly as it can be conceived. A powered return conveyor is available, which makes it possible to create hundreds of parts every day with only one operator.